Hello, Fourth Corps. As you can see, I am gone today. Today, what you're going to be working on is you're going to be doing the Lesson 31, Societies in West Africa quiz. You'll use this link in Schoology, underneath the Pakistan. That's the bell work for today. Use this link, and it will take you to TCI to start on the quiz. Okay, what I would do is I'd use these 4 green arrows to make it a little bit bigger. You close that purple ribbon, and you'll use that to answer the questions. You may use your workbook. You may use a textbook to answer your questions. Please make sure you read the questions carefully as you get it done. When you get down to questions 17, 18, and 19, you'll use this map, which is the African vegetation zones, to help you answer the questions. Make sure you pay attention to the map key so you know what each zone represents. So your vertical lines are your forests, your rainforests, things like that. The crisscross is the semi-arid deserts. The white area right here is just your desert. And your diagonal lines, right there and there, are your savanna regions. Make sure you read the question, figure out what it's asking, use the map to help you. Down at the bottom, underneath question 19, these just accidentally got copied to the bottom of the page. You don't have to worry about those. Only work to question 19, fill that one in. When you get finished with the quiz, back in Schoology, in the Wednesday column, there is the East-West Africa Edpuzzle. Click on that. I would use the little 4 arrows to make it a wider screen. And for you guys, it'll have the video. You can press play. It'll start playing and answer the questions as they come. Every couple minutes, there'll be a question. Make sure if you finish it, it plays all the way through the end. Make sure if you have headphones, you use your headphones. If not, just play it at a very low volume so you don't disturb other people. If you finish both of those, my expectation is you finish any other social studies work that you have. For example, a lot of people are missing lessons 27, 29, 30, and need to finish lesson 31. Those all need to be get done, because on Friday, I'll probably enter those into the gradebook and send home grade updates. If you have all of those finished and you finish your quiz and the Edpuzzle, you may read a book. We are not playing video games on our computers. And just remember, misbehavior, if your name gets left by the sub in their note, it is an automatic level 2 for misbehaving while a sub is here. I'll see you guys all tomorrow.